Phillies lefty Cole Hamels. Hamels hasn't pitched since last Sunday, but is looking for win number 15.
The team coming in here, there's this beautiful afternoon, they just couldn't play.
Swing and a miss. He tied him up with a cutter. First strikeout of the day for Hamels.
A very good outfielder, too.
Here's the 3-2. Swing and a miss. He got him to fish. Back-to-back strikeouts. Swing and a miss. And 3 strikeouts for Hamels. 1 ball, 1 strike to count. Chopper over to short, backhanded by Rollins. Sets himself on the tail end of the dirt, and he throws out LeMahieu. And the side is retired.
And his future in the hands of the doctors, and go from there.
Yeah, well, I just felt that he should be able to make that decision there.
Back toward the middle, off the glove of Hamels, picks it out of the air, throws low, dug out by Howard, and the inning is over. So Hamels strands one over at third, no runs, 1 hit, and 1 man left here at the top of the 5th inning. Went off the heel of his glove, he found it, set himself, and was able to get the out.
If
Very
your
true.
wins are better, okay.
Swing and a miss, and a strikeout for Hamels on a curveball. Now the 1-2 pitch. Another curveball swung on and missed. A pretty easy 7th inning for Cole Hamels. He picks up his 6th strikeout of the day. A 1-2-3 innings. Retired 9 in a row. It's time to stretch here at Philadelphia.